Hello traders out there in trader land, D7 here with Grok Trade, and the markets have gone way up. All right, if you look here at the markets, the last couple of weeks, guys, have been insanely bullish. So markets are almost up 2% on the spiders this week. Last week they were up almost 7%. So we're up 6, 7, 8. I mean, we're up 7 to 8% in the markets in just 2 weeks, guys. That is unbelievable. The thing I want to share with you here is the S&P 500 spider. We're up and away. When it broke this trend line, boom. When it broke this trend line, boom. We are way extended in the tooth. RSI at overbought areas, and we're starting to turn over on the MACD. I think we need a breather in the markets. I think that we're going to pull back here. I doubt it will be too significant of a pullback. I think this next week will be bearish for that reason. However, I say that the markets are set to be bearish to round out the March. But the thing I want to share with you, well, first let me show you the weekly on the S&P 500. We are at a major area of resistance. This here, last 2 times we were at the moving average. This is the 20-week moving average. Last time we were there, we sold into it. We're there again for the week, acting as resistance. It acted as support here, and if you go back in time, support, you can see that this is an area of support and now acting as resistance. It wouldn't surprise me to see this drop back down to close out this week. But with that said, let me show you something. This is the monthly chart on the S&P 500. The last 3 months, every time we dropped, buyers kept coming in. Last month, we dropped, buyers came in. This month, we dropped, buyers came in. Now we have a higher low for the month. The month isn't over yet, but the chances are very rare or very small that we're going to drop back and make a new low in 4 days. Don't see that happening. Of course, anything can happen in the markets. But so far for the week, we have a lower, or month, we have a lower high, but a higher low. This could be a pivot candle soon, but I would like it to stay above the 20-month moving average. That's that blue line. So in other words, we need to stay above, I'd say 447. If we can stay above 447, 450 area, that would be really, really good. We're at 452. But I do see us pulling down to close out this, but I do see a bounce happening in April and May. I can see that. The question is, will we make a new all-time high? I think the odds are against that. I think we might get close. I think the next month or 2 could go higher, but I think we're going to get significant selling into June and July, and a bloodbath going into the fall is what is highly possible. So we'll come up, and then we will drop, and it'll be a significant leg to the downside. Next area of support would be this major trend line, which would put us around 400 on the spider. Right now we're at 452. So that's what I foresee happening, going way out in the future. But anything can change at any point. Best case scenario is the markets for the next few years just chop sideways, but we are way overextended in this market, so we are due for a major correction. Big up, and this is an exponential move to the upside. This will peter out. This will drop. So the question is, when will that happen? So I'm here in Tampa. I'm at my Tampa office. Those buildings behind me is beautiful Tampa. And I'm wearing a jacket because I had to do another video for another financial business I'm associated with. And so this is me in the office. I hope to be able to do more videos from the office here. I have plenty of lighting, and I didn't turn on that light. But anyway, it's just more conducive. And my phone's blowing up here, as you can probably hear it. Anyway, so hope you guys are well. Markets are doing really well. I think that we need a breather. Markets pull back a little bit this week, perhaps, and then I think that we are set for a major rally going into the next month or two potentially. But the month, we have to make a new high, monthly high from last month. We have to pierce that high. That's what we have to do. So I hope this short video is conducive for you and maybe worthy of sharing with your friends. We always appreciate the share. Sharing is caring, and that's great love. So anyway, leave me a comment below of some sort. And my question for everybody is, how long have you been trading, not investing? How long have you been trading in the live markets using technical analysis? And let me know that. How many years have you been trading, or months? I'm very interested. I love you guys communicating with me, because I don't hear from you guys otherwise. You just listen to me droning on and on, but I don't get to engage with you unless you leave comments. So I do appreciate that. So take care, guys. We'll see you all later. Bye.